Hello grade 5, as you know that we are studying lesson number 10 and the name of the lesson is pollution. And in this chapter we came to know that what are the different types of pollution and actually what is pollution. When we are throwing or mixing harmful substances to air, water and soil, this creates pollution. And these are the four types of the pollution: air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, and noise pollution. When we are reading this chapter, we came to know that air pollution means when harmful gases mixes with the air, right? So, what are the causes? Smoke coming from factories, vehicles, cutting of the forest, we are burning crackers also. That are the causes, reasons of air pollution. Effects of air pollution, that means it is giving us problem in breathing, irritation to the skin and eyes, skin allergies are also there. Then acid rain, when smoke goes up in the clouds, it gives us acid rain, that is very harmful. Then steps to control the air pollution, what we can do, we can control the work in factories, we can stop the burning of wood and coal in extent amount, we can use vehicles in less, and then we can do the reforestation also, growing more and more trees. Then second is water pollution, when we are throwing harmful chemical substances in the water, that is called water pollution. Here they have mentioned for you the causes, reasons of oil pollution, water pollution, then effects of the water pollution. Water animals cannot be able to live in the water. We can also have the different kind of diseases like typhoid, jaundice, dysentery and cholera due to this contaminated drinking water. Seafood is not good for us because animals will also eat that or drink that water. Then how we can stop water pollution? Then what is soil pollution? Here soil pollution, when we are throwing dirty things, harmful things on the soil to the adding to the soil, this is called the soil pollution. These are the causes of soil pollution mentioned here. 4 to 5 points they have mentioned for you how it is happening, what are the reasons over here. Then effects of soil pollution, it is very much bad for us also because we are also eating the materials which are growing in the soil. Then here excessive use of chemicals also is not good for the soil. Steps how we can control soil pollution, the reasons are mentioned here. Last one is noise pollution. Again you will get the information that when we are using a loud noise or we are using the other systems which are creating unpleasant sounds or voices, that is the reason of noise pollution. So here honking from the vehicles, bursting of crackers, loudspeakers, these all create loud noise, which is the reasons for the noise pollution. Then what are the effects and steps to control noise pollution? You can read it here. This was the chapter. Now as we have done part A and B, so today what you have to do is you have to do part C. The first question is what is pollution? For this you can go for the recap also, right? Here is also mentioned what is pollution, and along with that you can move to page first of the chapter, page number 51. Here also you can find out what is the meaning of pollution. This is your question number 1. Then question number 2, name and explain the 4 types of pollution. So for this again you have to go on the starting of the chapter. You can find out here 4 types of the pollution. You have to explain them in 1 or 2 sentences, right? You are not going to explain the whole pollutions. You have to just explain them in 1 or 2 sentences. What are those? Now moving to the next question, question number 3, what are the causes of air pollution? So that means what are the reasons why air pollution is happening? For this you have to go on page number 52, and here under the heading you can find out the reasons behind air pollution. You have to move to page number 52. Here you can get the answer number. Next is your question, how does water get polluted? So that means again you have to mention the reasons, causes of water pollution. For this you have to move again on page number 53, and here under the heading of causes of water pollution you can find out the reasons behind the water pollution. So as per your convenience, you can write down any 3 points which you can easily learn also for water pollution. Moving to the next question, question number 5, list the causes of soil pollution. How can soil pollution be controlled? Now here there are 2 parts in this question. First is you have to mention the reasons, and then how you can control soil pollution. So for this, first of all you have to move on page number 54. Here under the heading of causes of soil pollution, 5 points are mentioned. You can write down any 3 causes of the soil pollution. This is the first part of the question. Second part is steps to control the soil pollution. So for this you have to move on page number 55, steps to control the soil pollution. So the points are mentioned here. You can write down your answer from this page. Now moving on the last question, question number 6, explain the causes of noise pollution. Write 2 ways in which it can be avoided. The last one is about the noise pollution. So it is mentioned on page number 55. First of all, under the heading of causes of noise pollution, you have to mention any 3 points under the heading of causes of noise pollution. Then how we can control noise pollution. It is mentioned on the same page, page number 55. 4 points are there. You have to write down any 2 from this. So that means out of 4 you have to mention only 2 points. This is the exercise of your chapter number 10.